Scott Crosby, and I'm the co-chair of the Spire program here in sunny Doral. This year's event, we've actually added some fabulous graphics to the event. We've really tried to make this place our own and claim the area with a logoed Spire graphic. So we've added some incredible graphics to the walkways, to the sides of the building, to the back wall. It's really going to make this place jump, and I can't tell you how excited I am for everybody to see what we've done to bring the Spire logo to life and appeal to the audience that's coming here this weekend. One of our printer members is a company by the name of AdGraphics out of Fort Lauderdale area in Florida. Rich Thompson is the owner of AdGraphics, and Rich was gracious enough as a printer member of the Spire group to assist with the graphics. So he handled all of the production and has his installation team here late at night on Sunday getting ready for our first meeting on Monday morning.